Hey you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Yes, big boxes. In fact, the most expensive cars I've had in this studio on the channel, full stop. Obviously one of them is an Armour. What's in here though? Any ideas? Any guesses? Put your ideas in the comments below. The person that is first to guess correctly will win a prize, okay? So let me get rid of this box first. Now, right off the bat, it's incredibly windy outside at the minute. We've got some sort of winter storm, so I can't get out driving this car today. But I am so excited, I wanted to get into the box and do a proper unboxing. So I hope you don't get upset at the fact that I'm not gonna drive it, but I will drive it ASAP. That one there will be on a separate video altogether. So, let's get into it. I had to move the camera because this is so large in comparison. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Oh. There it is, baby. It's a felony. That's right. I got a felony. Look at that. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, that is gorgeous. How do we get it out? The whole thing come out. Oh my. Is my camera up far enough? Oh, just. Yeah. Oh man, a few scratches. It's all ruined. Only kidding, that is absolutely gorgeous. How do we get into it further? So, ladies and gents, there we go. What do you think of that beauty? I am absolutely blown away. Obviously, I've liked the ZD Racing EX07 for a very long time, and that was why I specifically got this car, because I want to put them at a head-to-head, see which one's faster, which one handles better, because I have been asked that question before and not been able to answer because I haven't owned a felony. No, I do. Oh, yes. So let me break down a few specs for you right off the bat. It's got the Spektrum 3-channel DX3 remote control and the SR6110AT receiver with active vehicle control. It's got the Armour ADS 15M servo, Spektrum Company 150 amp smart controller, ESC, Spektrum firmware 4074 2050 kV brushless motor with safety input gears. Oversized rear tyres, normal front tyres, and they are the D-Boot Hoons. Front and rear gear ratios match to tyre dimensions. That's something to keep in mind. And it goes at 80 miles per hour. That's right, you heard correctly, 80 miles an hour, which is 129 kilometers an hour. I will put more specs while editing. I have to say that the Exo goes, or was supposed to go, at 120 kilometers an hour, and I think we got it up to 103. So this one shouldn't have to be pushed too hard to beat that, at least. So it's going to be great to sort of put them head to head. I'm absolutely blown away by how gorgeous this is. I was just looking at the headlights. Fake, aren't they? Which is a bit of a shame, but there you go. You can't have everything that you want, unfortunately. Let's get this up on here. Oh. So heavy. There we go. Right, let's get into it. I've been thinking about this the whole night. Ugh. Ooh. This is the first Arrma that I've owned. So, big expectations on this one. Actually, let's have a look on the inside of the shell. Okay. Nothing too crazy there. I'm going to put that out of the way so that I don't risk dropping and damaging it. And, oh, wow. Do you know what? Straight off the bat, I have to say that it looks stronger, better quality than the ZD Racing. We obviously don't know until we get it out driving, but it just... Ah, man, that's a beast of an ESC, isn't it? I need to just make sure that it's in shot again, which it slightly is not. Oh. The connectors on here, this is the, I keep on forgetting, but I believe it's the EC5 or the IC5, but I have ordered some adapters to go to the Dean's plug connectors, but you can see it's quite a beast in itself. Nice. Excellent looking servo there. Oh, let's get this out. That's not supposed to be there. I've actually, funnily enough, I've not looked at any videos concerning this, so I'm really intrigued for how it's going to handle, especially with the roads that I have available here. Speedrun area is going to be fine. It should handle that absolutely without issue, but some of the more rougher roads, I think it's going to struggle, but it's not really into... Oh my God, look at the size of that motor. Oh, wow. Jeesh. The shocks, obviously oil-filled, anti-roll bar, front and rear, or sway bar. And the suspension, you can definitely feel that it's got, I would say, a little bit better suspension than the ZD Racing EXO. Yeah, I would definitely say so, but again, you know, the proof is going to be in the actual driving itself. The diffuser at the rear is very, very substantial. Look at that. And then you've got the front splitter here. Look. I mean, that is quite a beast, isn't it? I'm not going to get the EXO down and compare them straight away because it should be all about this car right now. Let's see what else is in the box. Ah, yeah, there's a Spektrum controller. Stand up for this part. Actually, have I owned a Spektrum before? I don't think I have, but like literally right away you can feel that it's a little bit more meaty to it. It's got more or better quality. Without a shadow of a doubt. I'm not going to go adjusting anything, but you can see the adjustments that you can make on it a lot more than the average controller, which is absolutely brilliant. Put that down there and see what is so heavy in here. Ah, metal. I must admit, I looked at the front of the car with the top of the engine mounted, and I was like, got to have that one. I was looking at the Infraction, but I ended up getting this one just because I prefer the body shell, quite frankly. So here are the engine parts that will be fitted onto the car. Body, that is. No, it is fitted onto the body, so that will have to be fitted as well. And what do we have here? Mounting posts. Right, so John's going to be in the instructions, obviously. What else have we got? Look at the size of that pinion. Sheesh. That is huge. Okay, so that's the speed. High-speed gearing. Yeah, wow. Okay, there's some shims there for the diff. I like it when they send the substantial tools with it as well. That just has a little bit more quality to it. And of course, we have the stickers that I can put on. Some are upside down, some aren't, so they can be put on afterwards. And the EVZA batteries. Now, I do have two 3S batteries, 5,000 milliamp hour, which I obviously will be putting in when we test it. Ooh, I'd like to get another one of the Gensace battery that I have, because I already have the Gensace high voltage, one of them, so I'd like to get another one of those to be able to run in this car, or obviously that car when we're sort of putting them head to head. But I mean, quite frankly, I just cannot wait to get this car out on the road. It's gonna be amazing. Now, pricing is obviously, it varies wildly around the world actually, because when I was doing some research on this car, I noticed that in the US it's slightly cheaper than Europe, for example. And so I will be putting up on the screen somewhere the rough pricing for this. But I mean, essentially, I love it. I do. You can just tell its quality. I hope there's going to be no issues with it, but I don't envisage there being any issues with it at all either. So please ensure that you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be alerted of when we do the first run video for this car. I will literally, as soon as the weather clears up, I will get up to the speed run area and we will get this tested, because it should be pretty good. And I cannot wait. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. As I said, put in the comments below what you think is in that second box, and the first person who gets it right will get a $40 US gift voucher that I will send the money to the PayPal, or we'll organize it for your local RC store, or we'll find a way. We'll figure it out. So have a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.